Today we spent time learning about our y-intercept, or our b value for our equation. So in an ordered pair, it's always the number where x is 0, always when x is 0. It's some vocabulary words we look at is it's our beginning or our initial value, or phrases that may mean the same thing. So if I'm trying to figure out the y-intercept of this equation, the first thing I need to do is I need to solve it for y. So I'm going to draw my line, label my sides. Y is on one side, everything else on the other. So in order to get y by itself, I need to first move the 3x to the other side, which is going to make it a minus 3x, and then that's gone. Then I'm going to need to get rid of the negative 4 that's in front of y, which is multiplied. So I'm going to divide by negative 4, and that's gone. And when I do that, I get the equation y equals negative 6 plus 3 over 4x, because a negative over a negative is a positive. So in the equation, the y-intercept is always what's by itself. Remember, our slope is what's attached to the variable. So in this case, 3/4 would be our slope, but our y-intercept is going to be this negative 6 here. On the graph, my y-intercept is going to be located where the graph crosses the y-axis. Wherever that point is, wherever it crosses the y-axis, that value is going to be your y-intercept. So in this case, my y-intercept is here, which is at negative 5. So I could say b equals negative 5, because that would mean my y-intercept is negative 5, or I could write it as an ordered pair, 0, negative 5. In a word problem, when I'm looking for my y-intercept, I'm looking for my initial, or my starting, or my beginning value. Any of those key phrases or those ideas. So Ashley had $75 in her savings account, and each week she deposited $12. So what she started with, that 75, that's going to be her initial amount, or her beginning. So my y-intercept in this case is going to be $75.